Navigating in a new city can be difficult, so here are some instructions to help you get to Sattler's campus. If you take the T, which is Boston's subway system, here are the closest stations and the routes from each to campus. There are 4 major lines. If you take the orange line, you should get off at Haymarket Station. From there, it's a 6-minute walk to Sattler. If you take the red line, Park Street is the closest station, with an 8-minute walk along Tremont, which turns into Cambridge. Government Center is the closest Green Line station. It's only 4 minutes from campus. If you take the blue line, you can take it all the way to Bowdoin, which is just across the street from Sattler. Also, if you want to come to campus directly from the airport, you can take a free shuttle directly from any terminal to Airport Station, which is on the blue line. Take the blue line from Airport Station to Bowdoin Station. If you are driving to campus, you can park at Haymarket Garage, which is right beside the Orange Line Haymarket Station. You can also park at the Commons Garage, which is a 15-minute walk through the beautiful Boston Commons. Or you can park at Center Plaza, which is right beside campus. Sattler's campus is located on the 17th floor of the Salt and Stall building at 100 Cambridge Street. There are 2 entrances to this building, the front entrance and the back entrance. Once you arrive at the building, you can check in at the desk in the lobby to get your visitor badge. For this, you'll need a government-issued photo ID. Once you get your visitor badge, you can use it to get through the gate. Once you arrive on the 17th floor, you can check in with the receptionist and then feel free to explore campus. We can't wait to see you.